The name of the robot is D-Miner. As its name suggests, it searches for landmines and pinpoints their locations. That's what we've programmed it to do. This mine-clearing robot was designed and built by 16-year-old David and his friends. The boys have spent several sleepless nights trying to get the robot ready for taking part in a national competition. We received 100,000 drams, and our whole team decided to use the amount to buy supplies for our soldiers and send them to the border. The designers of the robot are members of the Robotics and Hi-tech Club for high school students. The club was opened in 2014 at the Vanadzor campus of Armenia's National Polytechnic University. These young Vanadzor programmers are confident that by applying the latest technologies, they'll be able to change the world and make their country better and stronger. They acquire both programming and robot building skills. It scans the terrain for obstacles to avoid colliding with them. Thanks to the robot building know-how of Vanadzor, certain daily house chores might become a thing of the past. This robot, aptly called the cleaner, is designed to sweep floors. The cleaner is very good at what it does and has shined at a recent robotics competition. We participated in a contest called Robots in Daily Life. That's where we presented the cleaner and won the top prize. The teenagers hope to fine-tune their robots for mass production. They're obsessed with the idea of sending the D-Miner to the battlefield. The trick is to build a functional prototype. Then it will be easier and quicker to build more units. As future soldiers, the young programmers are also envisioning ways of defending the homeland's borders. Hagop's latest creation is a computer game titled For Artsakh. Its popularity continues to grow on the internet. Enemies can pop up and attack from anywhere. If they get to the flag of Artsakh and touch it, they score points. The objective is not to let them. As for Maria, she has created an online pharmacy. She got the idea for the computer game from her conversations with her pharmacist sister. Maria's online pharmacy helps visitors decide what to take for a headache or a toothache, and provides information about various medications. By clicking on the icon of a medication, you get information about which diseases it can be used to treat and whether there are any age restrictions. Maria is convinced that within the next decade, when the whole world will buy and sell things strictly online, her website will become very popular. The important thing is for them to create things, to be motivated. The goal is that after graduation, many of our students will enter the high-tech field and expand the ranks of Armenia's pioneering programmers. The Robotics Club has students from high schools throughout Vanadzor and nearby villages. The Hayastan All-Armenian Fund, too, has had a role in the creation of this learning environment for the IT generation. The Hayastan All-Armenian Fund provided us with great support. We had only 3 computers when we started out. Today, as you can see, we have several up-to-date computers which were donated by the fund. In Armenia, the number of schools with robotics departments is growing every year. The armies of fledgling teenage engineers and programmers are expanding, and every other project is geared toward helping develop the country's defense industry. Since the 4-day Artsakh War, this team of Vanadzor teenagers has decided to accelerate the finalization of its robot in order to launch its next project, the development of a drone.